Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. Maybe you want to sell them, or you're trying to resolve an issue, or you just want a fresh start. It's really quite simple to do, so no fluff, it's just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. So before we factory reset the Pixel Buds Pro 2, I would disconnect them from your phone. So I'm on an Android phone, it'll be slightly different on an iPhone. So under connected devices, we've got Bluetooth, and you can search for them in here. You can see they're right here for myself. I'm gonna hit the little gear icon and I can forget them here. So we'll just go ahead and hit forget and forget device, and that'll cancel them out of my phone. So we'll jump over here and start factory resetting them. So on the back of the Pixel Buds Pro 2, you're gonna see a little button here. It's kind of hard to see at the bottom. So what we're gonna do is open the case up like that, and then we're gonna hold down that button. Don't let it go. And it's actually gonna start flashing there. This might take about 20 seconds or so. So we wanna hold that down until it stops flashing. There we go, it stopped flashing. Now we can let go of the button and it's gonna start flashing again. So this is the factory reset process. So it's going orange and white there. And that'll probably take another 10 seconds or so to fully factory reset. All right, and now it's just flashing white. So now the factory reset is complete. If you don't want to connect them again, you can just close the lid and you're good to go. Now, if you do want to connect them again, they are in the pairing mode right now. So on our phone, we can pair them again. I'll just hit pair new device and it's gonna find them there, available devices, Pixel Buds Pro 2. Pair with the Pixel Buds Pro 2, allow access to contacts and call history, and we're just gonna hit pair. And it's gonna pair them. And there we go, set up your device is ready to set up. And you can go ahead and go through the whole process of setting them up. And really it's that simple to factory reset your Pixel Buds Pro 2.